Okay, got a present in the mail today. The new P gear. Flip her over. I gotta excuse my hands. I ain't put no lotion on these mud. They ashy. I'll see how this compares to DRAGY. Since I got both of them. Shit, my hand's ashy as fuck. My bad. Damn. Okay, P gear. Kinda hard to open this shit up with one hand. There we go. Power cable. The fuck's in here, huh? Okay. Let's see what's in this fucking box here. Get it open. Shit. Oh, excuse me, it's kinda hard to do this shit with one hand. Oh shit, I'm doing it the wrong way, okay. Okay, the mount for it. Okay, cool. Got a mount you can put in the window. Okay, this is the unboxing, and once I get a chance to, I'm gonna charge it up right now. And I'll try it out later on the day beside the DRAGY. See how it comes up. So get all the shit out the bag. I got one hand. Ain't gonna work right now. Okay, so we'll see.